welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Laura. Thank you for joining us today, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Thank you. Today we're going to be talking about how I make my at-home apple cider vinegar rinse. This is what the finished product looks like right here. If you don't know a lot about apple cider vinegar, I recommend please looking that up and researching it. It is really a great product. You can use it for a lot of different stuff, from topical treatments to internal treatments. If you want to see how I make my at-home apple cider vinegar, then just watch the rest of this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So before we get started here, this is the apple cider vinegar that I like to use, and it says with the mother on it. That basically means that it's not filtered and you can still see the sediment in there. That's what you want. This is the good stuff. And so anytime before you use this, you just want to shake it up really well. You just kind of see that sediment will then disperse throughout it. So now it's like cloudy. But yeah, that's what you want. This is the good stuff. So for today, we're going to use a bottle that I've already had open. It's almost gone, but I don't want to waste it. Today I'm going to show you how I make my apple cider vinegar hair rinse. And I am a big fan of only washing my hair up to twice a week. So during the times where I'm not washing it, I do need to do something about the oil. So I'm a big fan of using dry shampoo. Well, using a lot of dry shampoo can lead to buildup, which is bad for your pores. So doing an apple cider vinegar rinse every time you wash your hair is the best ideal, because it gets that gunk out of the pores on your scalp, that your hair comes out nice and clean. So I'll show you how I mix that up. Now I got my spray bottle here that I use. Alright, so I've already filled this up with a little bit of water there. You can kind of see it floating around. And that's what you want to do. You want to have half water, half apple cider vinegar. That way you can dilute it a little bit. There's no reason to have it to be that strong. And since this is kind of like a weird shaped bottle, I don't obviously have it filled up halfway to here. I did it down here. That way it's kind of proportioned the same. And then we will take our apple cider vinegar, and I'm just going to shake it up a little bit. I'm pretty sure we're going to use all of this, but just in case we don't, I just want to have it evenly dispersed in there. And we're just going to pour that in. And it looks like we're going to be opening the other bottle. Alright, let's get this seal off of there. Shake it up again. Alright, let me clean up. Alright, so back to this. Just secure your lid here. And I use a squirt bottle because that's how I like to distribute it into my hair. Another way you could do it is to kind of get like one of those really tall, skinny bottles with the little cap on top, a little squirt cap on top. That might work better for you, because I do end up having to take this apart and clean it quite a bit. I have to take this off and clean that out. I take this completely out and clean like the straw area, the suction area, and then I have to take this, what do you want to call this, the squeeze handle off and get into here where the spring is at and clean that out. And I'm fine doing that because I like using a squirt bottle, because I feel like I can kind of squirt it into like the roots of my hair, massage it around. I can squirt it on the ends of my hair if I feel like I need to. But this is what I found to be the easiest way to use it for me. And so I just keep this in my shower with me. Every time I go to use it, I make sure I shake it up before I spray it. And I just spray it onto my scalp, the roots of my hair. And this is the first thing I do. So I get in the shower, I get my hair wet, I spray this onto my scalp. I do like, you know, clean my face or something like that. And then I do my shampoo and I wash it out. And then I move on to my conditioner. So I don't wash this out before I shampoo. I wash this out after I shampoo. Alright, so that's how I make my apple cider vinegar rinse for my hair. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other at-home products that I make. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.